Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Trust Crypto Wallet on your PC. So all you need to do is search for Trust Wallet on Google and then open their official website. You will see download extension here. So you press on it and it can download the extension on your Chrome, or you can simply open BlueStacks and then search for Trust Crypto Wallet and then install from Google Play. And then install from Google Play again. Now it will ask you to sign in to Google Play and then it will be downloaded on your PC. BlueStacks is an emulator for APK apps that can't be downloaded on PC. If you don't know how to install it, please search in our channel. There is a video full guide for this. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.